Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice radical equation, the square root of x squared minus 3x plus 4 minus the square root of x squared minus 5x plus 7 equal to 1. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. If we square both sides, then we get a complicated quadratic equation, and to solve that quadratic equation is too much difficult. So to make the solution much simpler, we use another trick. We suppose that let a is equal to the square root of x squared minus 3 times x plus 4. And we suppose that b is equal to the square root of x squared minus 5 times x plus 7. If we square both sides of this equation, this implies that a squared equal to x squared minus 3 times x plus 4. And if we square both sides of this equation, this implies that b squared equal to x squared minus 5 times x plus 7. Substitute this expression and this expression with a and b. The original equation will become a minus b equal to 1. Let's call this equation number 1. Now we subtract this equation from this equation, so this will become a squared minus b squared equal to x squared minus 3 times x plus 4 minus x squared minus 5 times x plus 7. Further simplify, this will become a squared minus b squared equal to x squared minus 3 times x plus 4 minus x squared plus 5 times x minus 7. This negative x squared will be cancelled out with this positive x squared, and 5x minus 3x will become 2x, and 4 minus 7 will become negative 3. At left hand side we have this expression a squared minus b squared. This a squared minus b squared can be factorized as a minus b times a plus b equal to 2x minus 3. Since a minus b equal to 1, so we replace this a minus b with 1. Equation will become 1 time a plus b equal to 2x minus 3. Further simplify, this will become a plus b equal to 2x minus 3. Let's call this equation number 2. And this second equation we add equation number 1. Equation 1 is a minus b equal to 1. Equation 1 is a minus b equal to 1, and we add these two equations. This positive b will be cancelled out with this negative b, and 1a plus 1a will become 2 times a equal to 2x remains same, and negative 3 plus 1 will become negative 2. Next, 2 times a equal to, from these two terms we can factor out 2 in bracket left x minus 1, and we divide both sides by 2. This 2 and this 2 cancelled out, and this 2 cancelled out with this 2. We get the value of a equal to x minus 1. Now to find the values of x, recall that we have supposed that a is equal to the square root of x squared minus 3x plus 4. We have supposed that a is equal to the square root of x squared minus 3 times x plus 4. So this equation will become the square root of x squared minus 3 times x plus 4 equal to x minus 1. We take square of both sides. This square will be cancelled out with this square root, and left hand side will become x squared minus 3 times x plus 4 equal to, expand this x minus 1 whole squared by using this algebraic identity a minus b whole squared equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This x minus 1 whole squared will become x squared minus 2 times x plus 1. Now we move this x squared and negative 2x to the left hand side and this 4 to the right hand side. The equation will become x squared minus 3 times x minus x squared plus 2 times x equal to 1 minus 4. This negative x squared will be cancelled out with this positive x squared, and negative 3x plus 2x will become negative x equal to 1 minus 4 will become negative 3. If we divide both sides by negative 1, this implies that x is equal to 3. This is the final value of x. This is the final answer of this problem. Now let's verify and see that whether this solution is valid or not. To verify, we use the original equation. The original equation is square root of x squared minus 3 times x plus 4 minus square root of x squared minus 5 times x plus 7 equal to 1. Replace every x with 3. This equation will become square root of 3 squared minus 3 times 3 plus 4 minus, this will become square root of 3 squared minus 5 times 3 plus 7. Is this equal to 1? Further simplify, this will become square root of 3 squared is 9 and negative 3 times 3 will become negative 9 plus 4 minus square root of this 3 squared is 9 and negative 5 times 3 negative 15 plus 7. Is this equal to 1? Further simplify, this will become root 9 minus 9 is 0, so this will become root 4 minus 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 minus 15 will become root 1. Is this equal to 1? Now root 4 is 2 minus root 1 is 1. Is this equal to 1? 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 is equal to 1. You can see that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. It means that the value of x 3 is a valid solution.